Yeah, very good evening, everyone. I am Jay Tatus, currently pursuing MBA under the specialization of finance and marketing. And today I come up with some interest topic. Before into this slide, I'll just be a recap previous classes. Yeah, and these are the four topics that we have covered in the previous class. Which is first is what is mean by market, and second what social media channel are you familiar with, and the third one is marketing is a science of an art, so we'll discuss about the difference between the degree in science and art. And fourth one is what is important of consumer buying behavior. These are the topics that we have covered in the previous class. So let's get into today's topic. Can anyone uh, know what's which the topic that we are going to see today? Any guess? Okay, shall I proceed? Yeah, today we are going to see about digital marketing. Okay, currently it's playing a vital role in the world in a marketing line. So yeah, so I chose the digital marketing, and it's my favorite subject too. And see, these are the content that we are going to see. First one is digital marketing, which means the definitions we are going to see, and the second one is types, and third one is social media marketing, and fourth one is how social media marketing works, and fifth one is case study. Let us finish with the some examples with the case study. Okay. uh, okay. Okay, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is nothing which is a component of marketing that uses internet and online based digital systems like technology such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and all digital media platforms to promote products and services. And these are the types of digital marketing. And first one is content marketing, and the second one is email marketing, and third one is viral marketing, fourth one is social media marketing, and fifth one is SEO, which means search engine optimization. So first let me see from the content marketing. Content marketing is nothing but it is a type of marketing that involves the creation and sharing online materials such as videos, blogs, photos, which they have uploaded in their own website or blogs, and it will use to promote and make the promoting in some of the um, websites. And second one is email marketing. Email marketing is one kind of marketing that it has been working as a long period dates. It is a form of marketing that can make customers who uses the it will promotes the product and service through the email list. The one who uses the frequently email, they are promoting the products in through email. Okay, so they have list number of some new products, discounts, and other services. Okay, and third one is viral marketing. It is kind of it is a sales technique that involves word of mouth information, which means if any customers buy some products from any specific company products, and they are so happy with the product, and they will suggest the product to their relatives or some neighborhood now, that we called as the mouth of information. It will like say this one kind of marketing. It will easily enhance to promote their product and services in by nearby locations or from near fair places. So that's we called as the word of mouth information about product and services to spread the ever increasing task. Okay, it is there is no uh, cost for promoting the products, because the customer buy a product from the company, and they were so happy with the product, and they're suggesting the product to some of the person, one who likes or one who meets neighbor with their neighborhoods or relatives something. Okay, and they come to buy the product. These kind of products called that we are called a mouth of mouth, which is called a viral marketing. And fourth one is SEO. Okay, SEO means search engine optimization. It is totally. it's one kind of back end work of digital marketing, which is search engine optimization, which is helps to make mainly focus on the website presence in search the search results on search engine engineers like Google. Some nowadays a lot of the people were frequently used to Google. Not every people in the world, every people will using the uh, it kind of keywords. For example, if you're seeing search for best mobiles in the world, or any car, for example, any costumes, any mobiles, any bikes, whichever they are using, we have seen the particular words in a column, in the first line, that we are called as search engine optimization. Okay. uh, and Fourth one is social media marketing. Okay, now we are going to see about the first social media marketing. Yeah, this is the main thing that we are going to see in today's topic. Main thing, social media marketing. It is one of the marketing that we don't need to invest money on it. Okay. uh, it is easily it is done through the WhatsApp. You can run your own startups and promote your products and services through the social media, because most of the, in 19 we are in 21st century. In this century, 90% of people are using social network. So the main thing, it will help the product to promote in social network to market companies or services. And among all of those, social media marketing plays a vital role in current trend. Okay, so I chose this topic as main. mm, okay, so let me see some example with like a study. Okay. See, here is the video. We'll see how the social media marketing works.
Invisible to the online world, which is to be invisible to just about everyone. Which is why social media is so important to your brand. It's where it lives. And there are rules of engagement. Nowadays, simply pushing content gets you nowhere. It's now about leveraging multiple consumer touchpoints that give people a reason to engage with your content. Remember, we're in the post-information age, which means social media is about strategic creativity. So Canabranders goes above and beyond when creating your social media strategy using online analytics and cutting-edge research tools, which is to say we know where your audience is, what they like, and how to reach them. But it doesn't end there. Our team of social media experts live and breathe social. So we are always testing new strategies and breaking new ground. We like to think we change with the times and innovate with.
Yeah, hope you can see this video, and it shows how the social media is working. Okay, this is so I shows a visual mode, so it will helps to understand clearly. Okay. Yeah, and as I told, now we are going to see about some case study for social media marketing, which is Airbnb. uh, I don't know how many people should know about the Airbnb. It is one kind of tourist mm, services. They are providing touring services, which is here I posted some of photos, which is related to uh, it is one kind of online marketplace. Okay, that connecting some kind of travelers. It is mainly open for travelers with local host. Some of the peoples were having some their own houses, and they were rented for travelers, the one who comes to their place. They are looking for low budget. Well, not all people were rich, so they are looking for a budget trips, budget houses. So in this place, the Airbnb is playing a major role. Okay, what they are doing is they are making tie up with some local host. Okay, that are mainly tourist places, and the Airbnb is present in over 190 countries across the world, and it is a service that lets property owners rent out their spaces to travelers looking for a place to stay. So as now you got it. Yeah, and it also easily findable, or like if OYO or some of lot of websites are there, so as comparing to it is one kind of startup, and it will easily findable. Okay, and okay, now we are seeing how they were promoting the company. Okay, and they are promoting their social services in social media. Mean They usually findable across social media channels by using their hashtags. Okay, we know in Instagram, Facebook, everything we have after the post that we have had some hashtags. Okay, for promoting. It's one kind of the promoting. But most there are it what means if you are using as Airbnb, so there are totally 1.8 billion people were using that hashtags. Okay, so in this condition that we have known that 1.8 million people were using the Airbnb. Okay, so that they are posting the photos, and in that under the post they mentioned Airbnb. Okay, so these are the main thing they are focusing on Instagram, so promote their product and services. Okay, by using this strategy, a lot of people comes to know about their product and services, and they easily engage with their customers. Okay, so that I mentioned that a visually compelling post. So most of the people are taking the photos and posting their Instagram, and finally they had some hashtags of their company, and these are they are having some words captions like new campaign, which is don't just go there, live there. Okay, these are the uh, which means some of unique words that they are using for their company. So the simple thing is in which manner they are promoting means they are taking a real photography. They have spent the money for the photographers, which is they are going to take photos and post it in an Instagram or something. Okay, in this manner the customers will easily findable the host for to live. Okay, second one is high engagement accommodation, and they are giving lot of accommodations within a low price. Okay, so most of the people are seeing their culture and images of all people, so they are thinking like, okay, Airbnb is giving a proper promotions and proper how do I tell, like yeah, they are giving good culture, tourism. So they're thinking about their plan and make them viral. Okay, so these are the things that I make a case study for the social media marketing. Hope it will you will understand. Okay, yeah. Let's today let's get into some knowledge check questions. mm, SEO stands for option A, social media marketing, option B, search engine marketing, and option C, search engine optimization, and D, all the above. If anyone knows the answer, yeah, option C, search engine optimization is the answer. Yeah, guys. Okay, let me finish this class by doing some interesting activities. With that activities, after that we'll wind up today's class. Okay, yeah, this is today's class. Here I have posted totally one, two, three, yeah, six photos. Okay, in the first photos that we have see that CO, second one is TV, and the third one is social media, and fourth one is affiliate marketing, and E is it's kind of marketing. Okay, that means traditional marketing, I think so. And F1 is advertising. Okay, what you're going to see is you have to tell me what is comes under traditional marketing and what is comes under digital marketing. Okay, okay, okay. Shall we see the answer? Okay, yeah. The first one, traditional marketing, is come under BF, which means TV, and is ad. I told like that's traditional marketing, and F is in newspapers. Okay, magazine. And digital marketing is C, which is social media and affiliate marketing, and search engine optimization. uh, okay, guys, thank you, ma'am and Mr. House, for giving this opportunity to take today's class. Yeah, thank you so much.